Hey guys, today I'm sharing my thoughts on these wall mount remote control holders. So it comes in a set of 3 holders, one of which is already mounted on my wall. I chose the color white, which is more like an off-white, but they do come in multiple other colors. The things that stood out most for me were that it's really easy to install. It comes with this double-sided tape, so you just stick it to the back of the holder here and then stick that to the wall. Most importantly, they're very durable. I've been using 4 of these in my home now for over 6 months without any issues at all. So these holders are very versatile. Here you see I'm using it to hold remote controls in my office. All right, and that's 2 small remote controls. So if you had a larger one, it might only fit 1 controller in there. You can also use it as a charging station for your phone. Just drop your phone in there, and then you can stick the charging cable through the hole in the bottom. So here's the one I use to charge my phone. You can see how it keeps the cord neat and out of sight when it's not in use. All in all, these are super handy, and I definitely recommend these holders for anyone seeking a convenient and reliable storage solution for their remotes or phones.